I urge all justice stakeholders to join with me and the dedicated staff at the Justice Ministry as we seize the opportunities and resources available for our journey towards a first-class justice system that will be safe, cohesive, and just for Jamaica, land we love.
On the journey to a first-class justice system, the allocation of finances is an indispensable mandate, intricately linked to a wise spend. The work continues. Here's how the Ministry of Justice will be putting its resources to use in the 2021-2022 fiscal year.
Mr. Speaker, the team at the Justice Ministry is working assiduously and purposefully to ensure that the wheels of justice will turn in what we plan to be the gold standard of justice infrastructure. A first-class justice system demands first-class facilities, and they are being provided.
A significant sum of this fiscal year's capital budget of $320 million will go towards the construction and improvement of courthouses. The ministry is looking to complete renovation and construction at the offices of the Director of Public Prosecutions in Public Building West. A standby power generator and fire suppression system will also be installed and pumps procured for the facility. The broader project started in 2013 and should be completed in March 2022.
It's very important that when people come to the courts, they can have trust and confidence, not only in the delivery of justice, but feel that they're in space, that they can be comfortable and justice can be delivered.
Further efforts will be made to bolster the justice system reform and modernization program. Under this initiative, $200 million will be spent to establish family courts in Mandeville and St. Anne. This project, which started in November of last year, is expected to be completed in March 2022.
We are determined to provide the resources that you need to bring the facilities and service of the court system to first world standard. Despite national and global challenges, we remain resolute that our justice service delivery in Jamaica must be the yardstick by which others are measured.
Under the recurrent budget, government has pledged to provide the Justice Ministry with $2.2 billion. And added to that, the various justice departments will be armed with $6.89 billion to carry out their functions. The $2.2 billion to the ministry will allow for assistance with executive direction and administration and facilitate access to justice. All this expands to include the development of an efficient legal aid system, the use of mediation services, and the publication of the updated pages of the revised laws of Jamaica.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jamaica can be a peaceful place. It must be a peaceful place, and the justice sector will play a pivotal role in ensuring not only peace and justice, but prosperity for all of our people.